Huh, looks like more people are playing right now. Barge. 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 Ah, he's putting the trap on it like me. Wait, that's the strat that I use. Wait. Wait, this guy's smart. Wait, my hands are smart, dude. Is my head checker smart too? Oh shit. Oh shit, my teammates are smart. Oh shit. Dude, I got smart teammates. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, hey. How's it going? Hey, how's it going? Hey, how's it going? Oh my god. Hey, how's it going? Hey, how's it going? This is like a 4-stack or something. They're all PlayStation players. It's a little sus. These guys stream sniping me, bro? Hey. That's back here, boy. Get your ass back here, boy. Oh. Oh shoot, she's getting motorboated. Wait, I wanna watch. Let me watch. Alright. GG. GG. I wish you a Merry Christmas. Wait, I wish it was Christmas time. Christmas time. I wish it was Christmas time. Oh shit, they're smacking someone? Dude, I don't have my headphones in. I have no idea what's going on. Oh shit, it's Queef Lady. She's queefing! She queefed again. Oh no. Wait, did she die? Ah, I think she died, dude. Yeah. GG, dude. GG. Wait, they haven't opened up any of the doors or anything. Hurry, Danny, your team needs you. I shut this door. Let's go. Gotcha. Did you rage quit instantly? They all rage quit. No, dude. Damn, dude. Nice. GG. I mean, this is pretty much a GG because we have a fucking blood bones. I thought these guys would be up already, but they're not. So they're not that good, but they seem to know what they're doing, at least a little bit. Yeah, wait, they still don't have a single door open. What the fuck? Wait, how do they not have a door open? Home? We're full bug them. Daddy's driving. It's a 5-hour ride. There's two of them. Little rats, dude. Little rat. Dude, you're not that good, bro. You think you are him, but you are not him. You are not him. I was like, where's this blood trail? Dude, these guys are bad. What the hell? Gotcha. This is kind of like the old days. I still got it. I still got it. Oh, you stream sniping? I think you're stream sniping. Alright, bro. I got you, bro. I got you. Yeah, this guy's totally stream sniping. Dude, it's so obvious, bro. It's so obvious. Why you make it so obvious, bro? You're gonna go down the well like a little pussy? Hello. Dude, you're so bad, bro. I still got it. Ah, you're dog shit. And a 3, a 1, a 2, and a 3. A 1, a 2, and a 3. Wow, these guys have no doors open yet, or no gates open yet. Wow, these guys are really bad. Look at me, hey, yeah, I'm really bad. Hey, Mr. Killer. My parents never gave me attention. Give me some attention. Come on, Mr. Killer. Hey. Oh, she backs at me. Come on, Bubba, get her. Oh, the Bubba's brain dead. No. She's gonna run in the basement now. Watch. She's gonna hide in the basement for the rest of the game. I need it to. Oh, get fucked. Damn, dude. Motherfucker. You're just living towards dying. Oh. Can see the Anna in that bush right there. She's still just sitting there? She's still sitting there. Hacks, dude. How is she not dead? But this Bones just now fed Grandpa. That's crazy. There's no way that Anna is still over here, right? What the fuck? She's still over here. What the fuck, bro? What are you doing? How does that miss? Bubba's killing it. Okay, pressure valve. Okay, what I need to do is move this lock back, I think. Well, it's not open yet, I guess. I don't have to move it right now, but... Because Virginia's so bad. This Connie's probably gonna go with Jen's side again. Hanging out, they're over here. Come on out now. Come on. You're trying to go up the ladder, huh? Fucking stream sniping? How'd you know? Loser, dude, loser. Sure are hungry, grill them bones. Yep, she's back over here. Fucking do it. Motherfucker. 3 times. You're gonna let me hit you 3 times? You're gonna bleed out? Oh, she's dead, right? She's bleeding back out. Cause she in-capped already. Yeah, she's dead. GG. GG easy. GG easy, dude. Alright, where's this fart lady at? Alright, fart lady, game's over, bro. Come on out. That's my meat sweet. Yeah, she's in the basement. Virginia in the basement? No way. Virginia players never stay in the basement, dude. That never happens. That's my meat sweet. Easy, dude. That's my meat sweet. Latch the door. Nice, dude. GG. Yo. Sleepyhead. Yeah, a sandwich and a yogurt. Yep. Okay, they're all on this side. I ran back. They're on Grandpa now. Okay, the Wyatt, I think, ran back up. What was the door he was trying to open? Yeah, Dad didn't. Hello. You trying to do a shake and bake on me, bro? You can't do no shake and bake on me, bro. Who do you think I am, bro? Who do you think I is? Hey. You could have died. I was like, do I just let this go off or do I turn it off? I'm like, yeah, whatever, I'll turn it off. I could have tried to steal the kill from the Bubba, but I didn't. Nice. Yeah. Hell yeah, dude.